Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Hadim begitu khat jog hitu ribhoi haringkat kinong yalam snong. Kila lej banyak kendu ya kementeri ketenai ke koj kya ke kong Ampareen lingdo banyak keren halor ke MCH kebadan hak snong Umran Parila. Ke kong Ampareen ke laong bakala debu sengi hak pratrik ujembang badu MLE ke umsning kumjuru badu MLE ke nong po menlik Jurip lang ya ke MCH kebadan hak te ke snong.
So I have fixed an inspection to go there with the Honorable MLA, Dr. C. Lingdo, who had raised it in the House. And I have also invited Miralbon Sim, who is the advisor in the Health Committee. So we will be going on the 8th, and I hope to be able to attend to that important facility that has been used as a COVID center. It was used as a COVID center. It was used as a place where they were actually utilizing it for what do you call those centers? Quarters. So we'll go and we'll see. Until that time, I wouldn't know. I mean, I hope that I will do all my homework before the 8th. We have some issues about staff, so I'll have to do that homework as well. I don't know whether posts have been sanctioned or created. I don't know whether interviews have also been conducted. So we'll have to look at the HR allocation. But with the NHM in place, I'm sure that we will be able to run it adequately. So let's wait and see what information I gather before the actual inspection. Then when they met me, they said 2018. They have quarters, they have a hospital facility. Then there is only one staff who apparently is unable to attend to the infrastructure, and hence there's been a deterioration in the infrastructure. Once I go there, then we'll be able to set a target and be able to understand what are the things that are required. At the end of the day, the health facility in the state must conform to certain standards, and I am a very willing minister to make sure that there is no politics anything in this sector. At least we must make sure that if facilities have been raised, they should be operational. Send a team of officials to inspect across the state and to give me a report. So I will take that report sometime in the first week of May, because they will need that kind of time. And accordingly, we will try to address the shortfalls. Accordingly, we will try to ensure that we upgrade or at least make all such facilities operational. And it is a humongous task, because I have to go across state to check all these centers. So we will begin with Umran Parila, and then we will see where we go next, and we will see. I am determined to make a difference, and I will try my best.